Has your Wi-Fi gotten a little sluggish? Maybe you're moving and need to wipe your Deco system clean, or perhaps you've run into a technical hiccup. In this quick video, we'll show you exactly how to factory reset your TP-Link Deco M5. It's a simple process, but it's important to know what happens next. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the reset pinhole. Okay, let's get to it. The reset button is cleverly hidden to prevent accidental presses. You'll find it on the bottom of the unit. See that tiny pinhole? That's our target. You'll need something small and pointy to press it, like an unfolded paperclip, a SIM ejector tool, or the end of a pin. First powered on Deco unit, gently insert your paperclip into the reset pinhole. Press and hold the button down. You need to keep it held for about 10 seconds. Watch the LED light on the front. It will start to flash amber, and then it will begin flashing red. And that's it. Your Deco M5 has been successfully reset. The next step is to set it up again like it's brand new. You'll need to use the TP-Link Deco app to create a new Wi-Fi network name and password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.